สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to O's Kitchen and today I'm going to make a dish that everyone love also for Thai and international so we call it ไก่ผัดเม็ดมะม่วง or chicken with cashew nut sorry if you want to know how to make it watch this video
In the kitchen where flavors collide, O's got the heat and taste worldwide. Chili and lime in a sizzling show. Thai cooking magic with O. Let's go!
For the ingredient to make ไก่ผัดเม็ดมะม่วง the first one we need ไก่ or chicken so next เม็ดมะม่วง or cashew nut dry chili cut into the small pieces chopped garlic and onion dice spring onion chicken stock and for the seasoning today I used salt sugar pepper fish sauce tomato sauce chili sauce and oil for fry and I used corn flours to make more crispy for the chicken start with mix chicken with corn flour okay I add the chicken into the bowl and season with a little bit of salt mix more flavorful mix well and then I add a little bit of corn flour mix more like a crispy but if you don't want to more crispy you just you can leave corn flour but if you like crispy chicken you can use corn flour or flour just normal flour okay and I mix well and I will set aside after that I gonna fry this one and next I'm going to deep fry dry chili I put more oil into the pan I'm deep fry because it's easy to burn this one for smell and of course for the garnish makes more beautiful okay then I just put okay you see it's not take too long for dry deep fry chilies in the same pan I'm going to deep fry chicken that I already mixed with the corn flour I add more oil because it's the deep fry and wait for a while to getting the oil getting hot this menu you have to prepare all of things before we start to stir fry like we call it mise en place it means like prepare everything ready before we cook okay the oil getting hot so I fry the chicken for the chicken you can cut in the medium size and of course you should cut in the same size because it makes cook in the same time this is one of favorite dish that most of people like this okay You see, it's not too difficult to make it, but just you have to prepare all of things first. You see, like if you mix with the corn flour, is make more crispy, and for the cashew nut is make more crunchy. By the way, if you don't, if you want to change to the meat like pork, I think I would say you can choose, but for Thai, the name of this dish, we call it ไก่ผัดเม็ดมะม่วง That's the reason why we use ไก่ we choose chicken. You see, chicken is coming to golden brown. We fry until like a golden brown. I think my chicken is totally done. The color is so nice. It's become brown. Okay, and now time to mix all of ingredients to make ไก่ผัดเม็ดมะม่วง Let's see. Okay, and now time to stir fry or ผัดไก่ผัดเม็ดมะม่วง I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to fry the chopped garlic. You don't wait to until the oil is hot. You can add garlic in the same time, because if the oil is too hot, it's easy to burn. And then I use the tomato sauce or ketchup. Next, for the chili sauce, 1 teaspoon. Okay. Then mix well. This sauce. For the chicken with cashew nut, just a little bit of sauce, not too much sauce. Sauce become dry. A little bit of stock. A little bit of salt. I add onion. Just fry onion. I will stir fry until the onion is become soft and transparent. Just a little bit. I add more, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of stock. I add chicken. And cashew nut. And dried chili. When everything combine well or mix well, finally I add spring onion. And season with a little bit of pepper. I think it's done for ไก่ผัดเม็ดมะม่วง And now time to serve. Sorry, I was so hungry. So this is ไก่ผัดเม็ดมะม่วง. And which is the favorite dish for you? Please let me know in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. Hope to see you again. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ.
Always got the heat and a taste worldwide. Chili and lime in a sizzling show. Thai cooking magic with O.